Hi, I'm Erica Gamet for Ajar Productions. In this set of videos, we're going to look at choosing, purchasing, setting up, and activating your in5 subscription and online account. To get started with in5, first we need to head over to the website, ajarproductions.com, or you can use in5.us. If you don't see the in5 page, just click on the in5 in the menu. If you haven't already downloaded a demo version of in5, click on Get in the navigation menu, and we can download the latest version of in5 here. This is a demo version with a lot of functionality built in, so you can try it out ahead of time. The great thing is if you already have the demo version installed, once you purchase and activate your license, you don't need to install anything else. It will automatically activate it to the paid version. To install in5, you just open up the installation folder and run the proper installer for your operating system. You can then choose which versions of InDesign you want to install in5 into. You can pick as many as you'd like. Click Accept and Install, and you're on your way. When you're ready to buy, come over here to the Buy menu and click on Pricing. Here we can see the different available plans, and it's set up to show your annual billing, which of course is the best value. You can switch to a monthly plan if you'd like, and the new prices are displayed. Let's switch that back to annual. Now, if we're not sure what the features are for each of those plans, I can come back up to the Buy menu, choose Compare Plans, and then I can see the individual features that are available with each plan. I can also click on the blue triangle next to a feature and see a video that explains that feature a little better. If we scroll down here, we can see that we can also add on Ajar Academy video training. This is a series of ongoing videos that give us even more insight and more instruction on how to put in5 to use. You can add that right now, or you can add it at any time later on. So we can see that we're about to purchase the in5 Gold license annually. We get 4 users for that, and our price is listed. If we didn't already add it, we can add Ajar Academy video training, and then we're ready to go ahead and proceed to checkout. From here, you'll enter your information, of course, enter your credit card information, and then finish checking out.